गपशप, फ्रेंड्स और कॉफ़ी, ये लाइफ में है तो एक अलग ही सुकून है। मगर आज जिन फ्रेंड्स के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं वो कोई मामूली फ्रेंड्स नहीं, वो एक बिल्कुल डिफरेंट फ्रेंड्स हैं। बचपन से मैंने सुना था हु आर मैन्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स, आई मीन सॉरी नॉट हु, विच एनिमल्स आर मैन्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स, और जवाब हमेशा होता था डॉग्स, द फरी फ्रेंड्स। आज का शो उसी पे बेस्ड है। दिस इज फॉर ऑल द डॉग लवर्स, स्पेशली इन लखनऊ, because we are going to discuss about the pop-up cafe in Gomti Nagar. So basically, if you are a dog lover and you want to visit with your dog, please do come in. डिटेल में हम इनके साथ बात करेंगे और फिर आगे चलेंगे। एक कोट मुझे याद आया, सॉरी मेरे को ज़रा सा देखना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मैं भी भूल जाती हूँ। Dogs do speak, but only to those who know how to listen. It's by Orhan Pamuk. But that is the main crux of this show. So enjoy watching it. Thank you. Let me introduce to a very special guest of mine, Miss Nishtha Agarwal, who's the owner of the Pop-Up Cafe in Gomti Nagar, Lucknow. Let's see how she brought this beautiful concept into existence. Welcome, Nishtha.
Thank you so much.
So, Nishtha, I just wanted to understand that, how old is this cafe?
So it is pretty new. It's been almost 9 months since we have started. We have not even completed a year yet. Yeah, and it is a very, very new concept here in Lucknow. I have tried to get it up over here. And so it's been almost 9 months since we have started.
Wonderful. I think she has conceived a baby in these 9 months. And very true that it's a very new concept. Because honestly speaking that, I have also, although born and brought up in Lucknow, मगर मैं भी बड़े दिनों बाद लखनऊ में आई और जब मैंने आपका ये कैफ़े देखा, ये कॉन्सेप्ट देखते ही I just felt like that, I need to talk to you.
Thank you so much.
So, अच्छा निष्ठा, मैं ये सोच रही थी कि जैसे ये आपने अपना कॉन्सेप्ट डिराइव करा है, तो आजकल तो कंपटीशन की दुनिया है. I'm sure you also would be having competition from, the neighboring,
Of course.
Areas and others. So how do you stand out? How do you feel that this is little different from maybe the rest?
Okay. So I'll tell you the kind of place which we provide for the dog owners and the dogs is very, very different from what others are doing over here.
Okay.
The best part about this place is we have tried to make up as a one-stop solution for pet parents. So herein we have various different activities which you can find in Lucknow in different places, but we have tried to collaborate it in one and start this cafe. So like we have different area, as in you can get your dog over here. You don't have to sit with them, holding them right beside you. You can leave them leash free in the play area. They can play, run, enjoy the time. Then we have a pool area for them.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah, so again, you find a place like that here in Lucknow, but this is one place wherein we have provide grooming, play, pool, accessory for the pets, fooding for the pets, and the fooding for humans too. So this is what Pop-Up is all about.
So there was a concept, I'm sure everyone has heard about it. A lot can happen over coffee.
Yeah, sure.
So, this is, I think, a mega deal wherein a lot can happen over coffee along with our pets,
Yes.
So, it's a wonderful concept actually. And to be very honest, Nishtha, when I had come over here, this cafe speaks for itself. Because आपके जो ketchup हैं,
जी,
वो इतने अच्छे से उन्होंने हमको greet कराना कि this, I also didn't know that, what exactly is the concept, whether the dogs will be that friendly with me or not, या खाली बस एक ये एक cafe है,
but I'm sure she can be the best host one can have.
Yeah,
she is the best. She's the charm of this place. Everybody calls me up. There are times people call me up and they check if ketchup is there. Is ketchup fine? Like, is she okay to play with me? Nobody has asked me, do you provide food, do you provide this? But yeah, people are like, is ketchup there? I'll come to meet her. And
I am sure, I think she's the brand ambassador, yes, of our cafe. Of course she is. Because when we came here, she greeted us beautifully. And the entire team was also there, and she was so friendly. So I could feel that the vibes are totally there. Yeah, I think. अच्छा, एक चीज़ मैंने और देखी थी निष्ठा, आप काफ़ी इन्वॉल्व भी रहते हो अपने इसमें, मतलब ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज बीइंग ओनर यू हैव टू, बट मैंने देखा आप शायद ग्राउंड लेवल पे भी काफ़ी इन्वॉल्व रहते हो.
As you said that I have conceived a baby, and I actually take care of this place as my baby itself. And yes, I try to be there, involved in each and every activity which is happening in the cafe, be it the grooming, be it the play, be it the fooding, be it in the kitchen, pool, everywhere. I try to be there around, taking care of them, because I feel if people are coming here with their kids, their babies, because now dogs are their babies. They are not dogs and living anymore. They are like babies to them. And I know how much emotions and how much efforts it takes to come here and then ask them to enjoy, let them be. So they need that trust, and I try to build that with them first, and then try to introduce with the activities which we have. If there are any newcomers dog, I don't directly push them in the pool. I try people to tell them that leave them in the play area, let them enjoy with the time, because of course they also have to get that trust first, that this is a safe place for me.
Correct.
And I don't want them to get traumatized. Oh my God, for the first time I've come out and they are directly pushing me in the pool or directly taking me to the groom. I don't want to do that with them. I want them to be free. You love this place first, then me, then my staff and everybody catch up, and then they can, go to the other activities which we have over here.
Right. अच्छा, तो निशा, what I was thinking was that ये जो आपका कॉन्सेप्ट है, इसमें बहुत सारे इमोशनल चीज़ें भी आप डील करते होंगे.
Correct.
तो has there been any incident wherein आपको लगा हो कि ये मैंने एक सही में एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ स्टार्ट करी है, कुछ थोड़ा सा जो आपको इमोशनल कर गया हो? या
So I would say there are many. Every day probably we see some or the other customer coming and telling us that we are so happy that my kid is along with me and they're enjoying it. There have been so many instances, like there was a puppy here who was 4 months old, and he got bitten with the street dogs when he was taking a walk.
Oh.
And he was a traumatized kid. And the parent was also very concerned कि कैसे इसको मैं आगे कैसे इसकी देखभाल करूँगी, क्योंकि he is already very traumatized and he don't want to go out anywhere. He does not like going out. He's so always very scared of everything. So she started bringing him here in the cafe. Every week she's a doctor in PGI, and from there she used to get him over here every week. There are times that she has got him here couple of times in the week also.
Okay.
So he used to come here. पहले 2-3 visit में he was again traumatized, sitting alone. But slowly, gradually, after 3rd and 4th visit, he became like a king. कि मतलब अब मुझे कोई डर ही नहीं है किसी चीज़ से. He was so open. मतलब he was meeting ketchup. Now when he comes at the cafe, he directly just come, run and go to the ketchup, and then he'll play with her and other dogs also. Now he's okay with the other dogs. So slowly, gradually, this is how socializing helps the dogs.
Right.
People have this mindset that there are मतलब जब भी कोई dog मिलेगा तो they'll go and they'll bite each other. It's not like that. So I'll tell you, the thing is, when they are at their home, at their place, they feel so safe that they'll do whatever they want to do. But when they come out and then they see the world, okay, there are other dogs also, and they can also dominate me and they can do stuff like that. So they become little mellow. This is what I would like people to know about this place, that when you get them over here, they become so familiar to socializing that it is a win-win for parents and for the dogs both, that they can come out now and they can enjoy. It's not like you have to just keep them at a home. Just giving them food and some half an hour walk will not help them grow. When you socialize them with the other dogs, their personality change altogether.
Mr. what I am gauging is that जैसे हम अपने बच्चों को स्कूल भेजते हैं,
Yes.
शायद आपने एक डे केयर, एक बॉडी स्कूल ही एक तरह से डेवलप करने की कोशिश करी है. क्योंकि it's not that you know that you have to just be at home, खाया मिल गया और थोड़ा सा हम बस ऐसे हो गए. You are trying a very different concept.
Correct.
Even the dogs, the domesticated canines,
Yes.
need to be, you know, like they need to be not only groomed, they have to be socialized also.
Yes.
They need that thing.
Yes.
It's not alone that you know you can just keep them and बस हमने दे दिया कि अच्छा भाई.
No, because see, the lifestyle is also not easy now.
Right.
LA के time पे I'm sure there were not this many socializing concept there in Lucknow or in any other city. आप खुद भी बाहर इतना नहीं जाते थे. So you were always there with your pets home alone, enjoying their time. But now because you have so many work, so many other people, so many parties to attend, so you just cannot always hold you back also कि मैं कहीं नहीं जाऊंगी because I have my pet. That is also not right, because on the other hand you have to be available in the town to see other things and to meet other people. So it will be we have some customers over here. We also provide day boarding service here. So if they want to go somewhere, they drop their kids over here. They know that we don't have, like if you can see, we don't have any cage or anything available कि हम बस अंदर उनको रख देंगे. We have a play area for them. We have a spa area for them. So meanwhile the parent is gone for 2-3 hours. They can enjoy probably a pool session over here. Then they can go for the grooming. फिर हम उसमें खाना भी खिला देंगे. फिर थोड़ी देर उनको खिला भी देंगे. So वो बोर नहीं हो रहे. Because see, अगर आप उनको घर पे बंद करके रखोगे, of course उनका mindset बहुत,
they'll become violent.
Yes, that happens. I'll tell you, there have been so many instances like people think pit bull, oh my god, pit bull are such dangerous breed and all. Here at the cafe, I've witnessed two emotions, two different examples. There is a pit bull who comes here monthly, twice or thrice. He's here enjoying the place, meeting everybody like a baby, like a kid. And not furious, not anxious at all, enjoying, and people are like, oh my god, this is a pit bull. And there have been a golden retriever over here who people think are the most friendly and the most loving breed, who is about to attack to the humans and to the dogs also. So I'll tell you now, the problem is that golden retriever always stays at home, tied up, not going out for good workout, you can say, because for them walk is workout, right? Not going for walk, not meeting other dogs, meeting other people. So he's always furious and about to attack other dogs and like that. But on the other hand, the pit bull has been so socialized with the other dogs that he's a lovely baby.
So what I understand is the breed is not the problem.
No.
Upbringing probably is the problem.
Yes.
So I think for all dog lovers, I think you can understand, in case you have missed out on it, that you're showering a lot of love on them, I'm sure. But this is something which is another aspect which you can add to make your loved ones even more comfortable and special.
Yes.
That's wonderful. Acha, Nishtha, I was little curious to understand कि it's a new concept. It's a beautiful concept also. मगर ये दिमाग में आया कैसे आपने सोचा इसके बारे में?
So I myself, I'm a dog parent since past 5 years now.
Okay.
And I was in Bangalore working there full time, and there were a couple of cafes over there. At back, I was in Bangalore since past 7 years. I was there.
Sure.
For good 4-5 years I was there. And earlier I did not had a dog. So I used to go to such places, and I used to take that as a therapy for me. Because for me, dogs are actually therapy. The kind of love and affection they can give you, no matter what you are going through, however you treat them, how much you give them that attention, they will give you attention 10 or X of what you are giving it to them all the time. So I used to go to such places, and I always, get so much motivation that, oh my God, there can be places like this. And then Nugget, my first baby, he came in my life, and I used to take him also to such places. Then I got married 4 years back, and I shifted here. So first question I asked my husband was, with Nugget actually, I shifted with my pet. So I asked my husband, like, where can we take him? He said, nowhere. You can probably leash him. Okay, and just take him for a walk. That too, just be a little careful that, because people here create a lot of issue that you cannot make them walk in this area, that area. I said, some park, something. He said, no. Some place, some cafes. He said, yeah, there are some cafes because he's a small breed again. So probably they can allow him if you want to take him to such space. I said, no, I want him to, just be free, run, jump and be himself. Like, why have to be always tied up? Correct. So he said, no, there is no place like that. Then I told him about this place that, there are places like this. His question was also, but dogs तो जब साथ में मिलते हैं तो वो सीधे काट लेते हैं ना एक दूसरे पर. That is the, mindset process. That is a general mindset that people have. Yes. It's nothing like that. There are handlers for them. There are techniques to handle them. I'm not saying that, no, that instance cannot happen. Of course, that can happen. But of course, we have different people to handle them. Then we have to understand their mindset. I have studied dog behaviors also, so I know what exactly their behavior is about. If they are okay to meet with the other dogs or not, if they are not. So first I take that thing in mind that no, I have to understand their perspective first, and then only I can let them meet other dogs, because of course accidents can happen anytime, any day. So we have to be always ready for that.
Right.
So this was the first. Then 2-3 years it took me to make this decision that I'm actually ready for this, because of course again there are this problem which I face in general is कि नहीं मैं अपने डॉग को बाहर लेकर नहीं जाता वरना कोई इसको काट लेगा या वो को काट ले. Right. But again slowly gradually you will have to work on them. Of course अगर डॉग बहुत बड़ा हो गया है, if they are 10+, then of course behavior चाहिए, time लगता है. But I'm sure the new parents over here who are just very very new in this and they don't know what exactly to do, how to take care of things, this is the best place for them. They have to get their puppies over here.
No doubt. Actually आपने खुद ही थेरेपी की बात कर दी, because मैं खुद ही बोलने वाली थी कि this is actually a bliss in disguise, because
yes, it is.
आजकल के टाइम में when people are so stressful, हाँ एक चीज़ है, स्ट्रेस बस्टर के लिए they do keep dogs, मगर उनको ये समझ में नहीं आता जब बेचारा वही स्ट्रेसफुल रहेगा तो how will they true get I mean in turn आपको वैसे ही एक्सपेक्ट करना चाहिए ना, तो वो चीज़ है. So this is actually therapeutic effect has to be, I think, 2 ways.
Yes.
आप उसको दो, वो आपको दे, तो सही से मतलब डील चलती रहती. Yes. Wonderful. I think actually you have got this. It's a beautiful concept. And मैं जितनी बार देख रही हूँ मैं उतनी बार यही सोच रही हूँ कि you have so much to offer.
Yeah.
मैंने एक देखा एक होली की ड्रेस भी आपने पूरा.
So we have an accessory section, and a very different variety. I'm not saying that here in Lucknow you don't have such shops. You definitely have it, but the kind of boutique collection we have over here. They have literally lehenga choli for the tuxedos for the male dog, kurta, sherwani, what not. Like that is what it is. It is a beautiful and a different collection which you see over here when dogs are coming and people are trying it up. There have been so many times that people come with their lehenga colors like ab meri shaadi am diwa.
Yes, right.
It is beautiful to see all that they love. मेरे साथ जब in my wedding I want him to walk in front of me and then wearing the same shit.
That is sweet. That is
beautiful, sweet. It takes it is so empowering for me also that oh my God, people are there who want to invest this much time, energy, money, be it everything. They want to do it for their pets.
No, it's actually wonderful. बहुत ही खूबसूरत concept है. And I think on this note, we will, end this, because I know you are very busy and अभी भी हमने आपका time अच्छा खासा ले लिया है.
It was lovely having you here. Thank you so much for taking out your time and doing this, because I want people to know about this place more.
Yeah, sure, for sure.
There are people who have some misconceptions. For that they can of course call me anything, because people think that it is not that important to take their pets out so frequently. वो घर पे खुश है, वो ऐसे खुश है. You bring them here once, right? There are so many dogs over here. Every week they are here 3 or 4 days, because now after coming here they don't enjoy at their home. Because आप देखिए लखनऊ में इतने flat culture इतना ज़्यादा है कि where you take that beelish, you cannot do all that thing over here. So pop-up is a place for them wherein you are coming, enjoying, having your own time, having your own peaceful time. आपको आप मत परेशान होइए, अगर आपको अपना time enjoy करना आप करिए. I have handlers for them to handle them. If you want them to be here sitting and enjoying your food along with you, I have no problem with that also. So name which we like, if you see the tagline is pop-up the human friendly cafe.
यस अच्छा ह्यूमन फ्रेंडली एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन निष्ठा कुछ चैलेंजेस भी होंगे शायद क्योंकि लोगों को कुछ रिजर्वेशंस भी होते होंगे कि ये डॉग मतलब देर जो डॉग लवर्स हैं वो तो देखिए उनका तो वो बेबी है
Yes.
लेकिन कुछ लोग ऐसे होंगे जिनको शायद थोड़े रिजर्वेशन
First, there are some problems. People have this mindset that हमारा खाना वहीं बनेगा जहाँ डॉग का खाना बनता है. और because you have to see the menu, what we are providing to them is the exact same food what you are getting without any masala, salt, sugar, anything. It is just basically boiled vegetables, chicken, fish, paneer, anything veg, non-veg, whatever it is. We are not providing any different thing for them. जो लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं, there are people, but still जो जिनको पता है कि नहीं, because eventually आप घर पे भी तो उनको खाना पका के ही दे रहे हो.
Exact.
So there are some challenges like that. Then there are some challenges as people think कि अगर I am getting my dog, then I want him to be as free and then दूसरे dog की कोई परवाह नहीं है. So we cannot do that also, right? If at one particular time there are two dogs and then if they are not gelling up together, so we take time and we give them chance कि पहले आप खिला लो अच्छे से, आप वो जब अच्छे से enjoy कर ले फिर आप उसको अंदर ले आओ, then probably हम दूसरे वाले को अंदर डाल देंगे. और just but this happens very rarely. Out of 10 I would say 1 or 2 dogs are like that.
I'm sure.
Because most of them are so happy and enjoying and catch up. I don't know how blessed I am to have her. So this girl also, I got her from a NGO. So yeah, this is an adopted kid, and I don't know what charm she has. She know how to handle all type of dogs. If there is any dog who is dominating her, who is trying to be on her and all, she will take it easily कि ठीक है मैं कुछ नहीं करूँगी. Then there are dogs जो बहुत डरे रहते हैं, इसको पता है कि अच्छा मुझे उसको जाके छेड़ना है, तभी वो छिड़ेगा, तभी वो मेरे पास आएगा. She do that. So I don't know how much sense from where she has got. Of course, it is. I will say, I'll claim it boldly. This has happened only because of this place. Because when she was here in the initial days, because she was in the NGO for around 10-15 days, and then जो उसकी पहले की family थी, probably जो भी उसका experience था. When she was here, she was not this happy and moving here and there and meeting everyone. But after, because she was very young, she was 3 months old when she came to me, and because of the socializing, she became so okay with everything that all this fear of everything has gone. उसके साथ भी कितनी बार हुआ है that she has this tendency of peeping on other dog bowl and trying to eat it. तो एक दो dog तो चलो okay होते हैं, एक दो ऐसे हो जाता है कि no, I'm not going to take possessive my food. We will not share. And some dogs has scolded her, अच्छे बहुत डांटा है. So पहले तो वो थोड़ी देर के लिए एकदम डरी डरी बैठी रहेगी ना, उसके बाद she'll forget everything and then she'll move and then she'll say कितना खाना गिर गया इस लड़ाई में, मैं वो खा लेती हूँ या बाहर कुछ, मतलब so it has all happened because of the socializing. She understands कि हाँ कुछ dogs ऐसे होंगे जो मुझे नहीं allow करेंगे, and now after that she will not go and meet and try to jump on every other's dog meal, no, because of course of the experiences. So I would say this was also my experience too, that मैं भी नगेट को लेके probably बहुत ज़्यादा I was very always very scared, and मुझे लगता था जैसे अगर शायद ऐसा कुछ नगेट के साथ होता मैं कभी इसको बाहर ही लेके नहीं जाती. But then what would have happened? It would have given a negative impact on his mindset and my mindset too. But जब मैंने कैचअप को देखा तो मैं समझी कि ठीक है, कुछ भी अगर ऐसा होता है that's okay. Things will, जैसे हमारी life है, it's not always good, right? We see the hard parts and then we grow up and then we see that okay, this is how the life is about. So this is what socializing and taking them to new places do.
Actually, it's wonderful, and thank you so much, Nishtha, क्योंकि आप actually it is a business concept, no doubt. मगर साथ ही साथ आप एक social cause भी, because you said adoption, and I think you're promoting adoption also.
Of course, we do that.
So this is something. Of course, the details we can share, and it's there on your website also. Yes. It is so the viewers can definitely visit the website and see this. But talking face to to her, we can say that adoption is also there. And yes, in case anyone wants to, they can always contact you, right?
Yes.
And for other queries also.
Of course.
I think कुछ tips भी अगर किसी viewers को लेना हो regarding training their, the newly borns mothers कि potty train करना होता है. Yeah, there are a lot of other issues which they face. So probably, they can get in touch with you.
I always try to tell them to the new parents all this time, क्योंकि कितने सारे आते भी हैं यहाँ पे लेके. मैं उनको बताती हूँ, अगर आपको अपनी थ्रू आउट लाइफ, जब तक आप इनके साथ हो, जब तक इनके लाइफ के साथ आप हो, अगर आप इजी चाहते हो ना, तो पहले 3-4 महीने थोड़े से स्ट्रगल कर लो, ताकि आगे आने वाली 15 साल लाइफ बहुत इजी हो. सी वॉट हैपन्स, पीपल थिंक कि इट्स ओके अगर कर भी रहा है घर पे सुसु, या इट इज़ ओके अगर टाइम पे खाना नहीं खा रहा है, हम दे रहे हैं, मेरे पास स्टाफ है. इट इज़ नॉट दैट. अगर सी डॉग्स हैव दिस थिंग कि वो एक ना उनका क्लॉक सेट होता है, उनका बॉडी क्लॉक सेट होता है.
Right.
एंड इफ़ यू प्रोवाइड देम एवरीथिंग इन द परफेक्ट टाइम, they will be the best dog.
Wow.
And if they don't know their limitation, they don't know where to stop, what to do, what not to do, it will be always difficult for you to handle them.
Discipline is the key.
It is the key. True.
Okay. So, Nisha, मैंने क्योंकि आपका जो नाम है पॉप, I think these days people are always keeping cats.
Yes.
So I know थोड़ा सा शायद अभी लखनऊ में कम है ये concept.
Yes.
But in case people want to visit with their cats, they are also welcome.
They are most welcome.
Yeah.
Cats come here quite frequently. The only thing with cats is they are not a very extreme social animal. So if there are 3-4 cats staying in their own space, they are happy with that. But still, if parents want them to come out and enjoy the space, I don't have any problem with that. There are some restrictions with them. Is they have this tendency of some cats have this tendency of running out of the premises, because that is their tendency. They are always
no will sell.
Yes. You don't know where they can hide and where they can be, and it is not under your control. So if you think your cat is under your control, they can come over here. They can enjoy their time. The cafe area is all open for them. And so all this facility we do provide. There is no problem with that. And yeah, of course they can come here.
Thank you so much, Nishtha. It was wonderful having you and talking to you. Actually, you have shared a lot. मेरा भी इतना knowledge था नहीं, और अभी तो मैं काफ़ी enlightened feel कर रही हूँ. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for coming and choosing me for this. I love the
pleasure is on mine, because this concept need to be discussed for sure. Thank you so much.